Shawn from Honda Service. Today we have a little piece of history here today. It's a 2008 Honda S2000 that we're going to take for a little drive today. Let's go. So today we're in the Honda S2000, 2008 year model. Now, something unique about these cars, they were all hand built. There was only a limited production of them per day. They were naturally aspirated, 237 horsepower, unheard of back in the day for a 4-cylinder. One of Honda's only rear-wheel drive vehicles and one of Honda's only convertible vehicles as well. These cars were built perfectly. 8,000 RPM rev limit, rear-wheel drive, 2-seater, convertible, sports car. Lots of fun to drive around in. In true Honda racing spirit, Honda did build this car pretty much for the track. A lot of fun, a lot of power, great handling car. Still to this day, a great enthusiast vehicle. Lots of people love these cars. Very rare, very desirable as well. Thank you for coming along. If you have any questions, please give us a call at any time. More than happy to help you out at anything you guys need. 613-237-2777. See you guys soon.